successful trading.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring flow algo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading for this weekly market summary or daily market summary. Well, since we're on the weekend, it's going to be a daily market summary or market recap, if you will, for us. We are going to take this opportunity and officially for the first time present to you that our performance for the weekly trading alerts over the first 9 weeks. Yes, I do not have the one of this past week, but you're not going to be disappointed. So for us in average here, just as a quick recap, we started on May the 25th here at Successful Trading, and we have between 10 and 16 alerts per week. So we like them to be smaller than that, to be honest with you, because then it helps our traders to be focused, right? We have traders from all over the world. You name it. So because the power of the internet make it that. And as of now, it's just organic growth that we are seeing, really, meaning people who are interested in trading for different reasons. That's we will come on at a later point of time, and they are enjoying our system on here. So on a weekly basis now, for the last 8 weeks, we have been able to come to you and do individually one by one. So now we are summarizing them on here in this deck. So the average move per trade, folks, this number is 9% per stock. Yeah. So imagine what a 9% move on the underlying. This is not the win on your options. A 9% move on the underlying can give you on a weekly option that you are trading. That's why we have had consistently, yes, again this week, we had 10 baggers in this weekly market recap or daily market recap for Friday, July the 24th it was. So yes, and the number of 10 baggers, they are growing. I'm not doing a good job of actually counting them, to be frank with you, because some of them we have seen, like last week, TWLO gave a 10 bagger actually on a Friday just alone. But this past week, we were trading TWLO very early in the week, and he gave a 20 bagger. The other major 20 bagger was definitely, AMD. Yeah, we were trading, what contract we were trading? We were trading the 59 calls. Yeah, the stock finished at $69, $10 in the money. So that contract was worth $10. But ahead of that, obviously, we took partial profits. As you know, here we're responsible. So which one moved this week? Definitely, we made huge money, and we're gonna show you what some of our traders they made inside of the Discord room. So big winner by far. TWLO was a big winner weekly, very early in the week, early in the week. On Monday, so traders start trading that on Friday. So you had between 200-300% gain that we recorded last Friday, and then on Monday it just went berserk, because the 250 calls, they were over $10 in the money. Actually, for God's sake, this thing reached 270. Yeah, 270 by Tuesday, and trading the 250 calls, they paid over $20. Yeah. From $1. Yeah, then 20 baggers. So 220 baggers this week. That's going to be the highlight of this video. Just 220 baggers, folks. We are sorry. We're in a slump here. So, and which other one? McDonald's. Yeah. We were trading some guys were trading 200 calls. Some of us were trading 197 calls. Yeah, the 197 calls went in the money very early in the week, because our trade don't have to wait last minute on Friday. No, you can be patient with our trade, because this is an algorithm that speed it up. Some people were trading the 70. We recommended the 72.5 puts on here. They got less in the money. So this trade, it was good, but not as super good as, let's say, days, right? To be frank with you. So in terms of percentage now, I don't have to go be telling you, oh, what's your success rate or anything. These are the numbers now that are there for you guys in the public. And then I can go here now, week by week, yeah? And I mean, if you want me to tell you what these are, I can at some point. But as of now, I'm showing you week by week the dates, and with some of the highlight. The week that passed, it was the big winner was Adobe, obviously, with again the 440 put being in the money. Now, when a contract are in the money, they're not in the contract, they're not in the money by $1. Which is 440 puts, and the stock was trading on a Tuesday at 417. Go and check it out. Yeah, so 20 something dollar in the money. So it was a 26 bagger. So when you have a 26 bagger on one trade or anything, what else do you need to trade for that week to make your week? Or in the like of FedEx on here, you can attest of this. In the room on Tuesday before the close, we alerted the traders that, hey, we're taking a strangle on FedEx. Yes, we trade strangle. We know what you do with them. Yeah, the calls on that strangle, they pay 650% in 24 hours. I rest my case off of a 6% move. Again, the average move, the takeaway for you in this daily market recap or weekly market recap, whatever you want to call it, market summary, is that the average move per trade for successful trading subscription trade alerts is 9%, a whooping 9%. Does that mean that every single stock does that? No, we are giving you the numbers on here of the big stock that did. But my friend, even the worst one, I mean, come on. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So, and go compare that with whatever you are trading before. These are the numbers week after week. So I'm going to quickly go through them here. This is week 6. This is week 5. Yeah. You get minus 22%. Remember that one? Yeah, this is it here, folks. This is that one. So I need to make an arrow from here. So win, this was it. From 40 cents in 48 hours to 2,600%. Do you see a pattern here? This guy every single week reporting that. Yeah, there's we don't make this stuff up. This was week 4. Well, who was the highlight here? Because some of these look so distant. Well, on week 4, well, the novelty was that everything was bullish. So our system is not bearish nor bullish. Trust me, it wins equally on puts or call as long as the stock is moving. And for us, that's why our AI come in, because our AI, the successful trading AI, actually focus on giving you stocks that are going to make big moves within a week. Hence, we are very confident trading weekly option, which is a major no other. On week 3, week 3 was the highlights of one of our trader of the month, our second trader of the month for the month of June. This was her second trade or order for 1,000 bagger on Apple calls, half of 7% move. You see a pattern now you need to start asking yourself, if you are not familiar, if you are a newbie in option trading, right? So to say, hey, if a stock, they also call it the underlying sometimes, that if the underlying is moving X%, by how much can my stock win? We just gave you 2 exhibits. Here's an exhibit here on Apple. You hit 1,000% on 7% move. Yeah, that's possible. And then this one on here, you have to take my my thing for it because it's recent in my mind. This 6% here produced a 600% gain. Obviously, I mean, in the case of AMD yesterday, 24% move on the 59 calls was over a 20 bagger. Yeah, easily. Oh yeah, AMD was more than a 20 bagger because AMD, the 59 calls that we were trading started at 40 cents at the highest. Yeah, 10 bagger gets you to $4. Yeah, 20 baggers get you $8. Yeah, but this contract was worth $10 yesterday. So you get the point. So just very quickly here, let's go finish it up because we don't want people saying that, hey, it didn't show us week number 1. This is how it all started from the first week on. Yeah. At the time, the airlines were moving, the banks were moving as well. So we have this trade on in our Discord. That's what we can share. So the information is there for you now to make your informed decision. Yeah. Oh, on top of that, not only we give you alert, we actually coach you one-on-one. To make sure that, hey, you acquire the knowledge such that when we are no longer there tomorrow, you actually can step out on your own and make some serious damage in this market. So that's really what's for me. I'm gonna. Oh yeah. So we highlight this, a 7% that gave it a 10 bagger. It depends on the implied volatility because you can start asking 6%. He said that's 600%. 7% gave it 1,000%. Then 24% he told us is more than a 20 bagger. Yes, because the volatility, we will teach you about implied volatility. That's not important to you as of now. It's the methodology into how you can get yourself on this trade instead of maybe wasting time on some subscription programs that tells you, oh, we alert you on something and you cannot even get the entry they got, because what happens, my friend, they front run the trade. Yeah, when they see that the trade has made money for them, then they send you alert on your phone. Guess what? You're not gonna get the entry. Then those return that they're touting in social media, you will not get them. First, we give you your trades ahead of time. Yeah, meaning that right now our traders, they already know what they're gonna be trading like next week. Yeah, sometimes when things start moving in our trading room, you heard things of the type, hey, is Telex AI better than Flow Algo? Yeah, I'm going to be writing an article, a blog on my blog soon, actually, on that very topic, because I have the numbers now to be able to see and talk with some people out there who have statistics on Flow Algo. High efficient. Flow Algo is very efficient. Don't get me wrong, folks. I write videos, I generate videos on how powerful is Flow Algo, but the raw number of alerts that come, and now people are actually giving me feedback. Some certain traders who are new to trading, because with this pandemic, unfortunately, right, a lot of people have found themselves, even people with big money. I kid you not. I was talking with a gentleman yesterday. So if you're going to, you don't know what to do really, and it's not their fault, because hey, you sign up for Flow Algo, you see, and mostly calls, right? Buy to open August whatever calls, you get into that trade, not really knowing the fullness onto that trade. So yes, folks, at successful trading, you will come and you do not require that much money, have anything. If you are making 10 baggers week in and week out, we will want to take your small account for most of our trader, like this trader, upcoming trader of the month for he recorded his 10 bagger yesterday, folks. Oh, when did he join? He has been with us for 2 weeks. July 13. Yeah. He's from Connecticut, Mr. Thomas. 20 bagger on AMD calls. Just during the halfway. So he received congratulations from his friend. Yeah, he's modest. He told us later then oh, he was lucky, but he created his luck. Yeah, he created his luck. So my friend, this is the type of week that we got this past week. So this is the 10 bagger section. In the winner section, oh, there were many. Here is Mr. Thomas again. So his week started. So he's scaling from on his win on AMD from 163%, 172% on Roku, 73% on Square. But I was in this trade as well. I gave him a little bit of coaching. Maybe he will no longer need coaching. I call him Mr. 20 bagger now because respect. Respect, Mr. Thomas. So maybe you don't need to come to one-on-one coaching anymore. But I still want for that interview though to get to know you more and really for you to share with the world on YouTube your experience with successful trading. So what else did you? Hey, this is a young man from Nebraska, folks. I spoke with him 2 nights ago. Yeah. She signed up with us recently, just building up that account. 300% gain return, my friend. It's not small change. We had a trader. We talked about it. Oh, we did a daily market recap in the middle of the week about, hey, you cannot go broke taking between quotes 400% profit. That 400% profit was in reference to a trader on a successful trading who said, I think on Tuesday that, 400% was enough. And then he proceeded into making, I don't know, 700 or 600%. Then he said, okay, that's it. 400% not going to cut it anymore for him. So this is the type of, so here in TWLO, in the beginning of the week, my friend. Is this TWLO? No, this was the early days on AMD at the time. But 406% again from Mr. Thomas. You see why he's trade of the month, folks? Just this past week, look how much damage that the man has done. And then we have others here, 95% win on Square in 30 minutes. Yeah, that's what happens on here. So, folks, I hope this gives you a glimpse of what's happening or what happened and is happening every week inside of Successful Trading's Discord room. With our growing number of traders, we are adding subscriber left and right, and this is organic growth. So imagine just what's going to be when we start advertising with the numbers, the performance result that we have, such as the one that we just went over with you. Well, folks, have a great week. Find yourself a reason not to miss out, because the market has been volatile enough, and this is just the beginning. This is an election year, folks. By the time we get into November, I cannot just imagine, because I'm going to continue providing these results, because I've known these results for as long as in anything. But now, others, traders that I do not know, who come from all over the world. We have traders in Europe, in London, Mr. H. We have our meeting. I'm not wearing a colorful shirt yet, Mr. H, right? He got me on my colorful shirts in pre-market analysis every day. So I can't wait to see what he's going to be wearing. And hopefully he shows himself, because no, I don't know if we're going to be capturing his one-on-one coaching session. So I can't wait. And also I have to ask him, which of the team in London is he a fan of? Arsenal, Chelsea, West Ham, or Tottenham. So we're gonna have fun on that one, coaching one-on-one. So I'm wasting your time, folks, but this is just so. This is how at least I am. I don't know how you are. I am very thankful for you, the subscribers of YouTube, who are catching our videos and watching them. Our growth has just been on the rise since this thing really took off in March. We appreciate you, which we are hoping that maybe in the next 5 days we can hit 400 subscribers. It was like yesterday I only had 3, and my wife was one of those 3. So my family members were one of those 3. My sister-in-law, my wife, and I don't know who the third one was, because I couldn't be a subscriber myself. Now, fast forwarded into July, we are approaching 400 subscribers. So we appreciate that. If you find value in this information, please like, comment, share with your friends in social media, and hey, go to Successful Trading, set up a meeting, and to see we're going to have a coaching like this, a session, an evaluation, if you will, and from there you will make an informed decision if this is a subscription trading alert that fits your needs in 2020. Until then, my friend, I bid you farewell, adieu for now. Have a fantastic rest of your day. This is weekend here in beginning of the weekend, Saturday morning in Southern California, and we will spend our day speaking with traders, doing coaching, watching some English Premier League. Yes, I do watch English Premier League, and of the French League, not so much anymore. But other than PSG, more on that. So we have a wide variety of interests other than trading, because it helps relax, decompress. So please, we appreciate you. Keep subscribing, and we will make sure to continue to cater the content of this channel to your liking. Bye-bye.